everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I'm doing this cat cheetah Halloween makeup look. Super easy, super fun, and honestly if you take away the cat features, then it does turn into like a nice wearable makeup. So if you think about it, it's kind of like a 2-in-1 deal. So I mean, it's kind of nice. So that's that. Don't forget to check out Sandy's channel because it is a collaboration channel. So go ahead and check her channel out after you watch my video, of course. And that's it, you guys. Without further ado, let's start the video. So let's get this tutorial started. The first thing you're going to need are some cute little cat ears. And of course, I have this cute little gold with tiny little pearls on the cat ears. Super cute. So that is going to be my cat ear for this cat Halloween makeup look, and they are matching my earrings. Very adorable. Now let's go ahead and start our makeup, which by the way, everything I use in this video will be listed down below along with their links if you want to check it out. So I'm going to first go in with my brows, and I'm using the AOA Amuse brow pencil. I got this from the Shop Miss A. They are affordable and I freaking love their products, at least all the ones that I bought so far. And for this, I'm just filling it in so I can fill in the sparse spaces. I'm gonna go back in with a different product after I fill in the empty spaces real quick. So after I have my brows somewhat filled in, still working on them, you guys, I'm gonna take my Kat Von D. This is in the shade Walnut, and we're gonna really sharpen out and define those brows. I want to make them nice and sharp. So then after you have your brows completed, take the other side and just spoolie out and very lightly brush it out. You still want to keep like that, you know, hard edges, make it sharp looking, but just ever so slightly just kind of blend it out a little bit. So I know my brows look extra crazy, you guys, but bear with me, you know, you gotta trust in the process. Alright, so for the primer, you guys, we're using the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus, and this is in their Cucumber collection. I'm just gonna spray that right on my face. I swear, this smells super delicious. The cucumber scent, amazing. I love it. So you let that sit a little bit. Now for the foundation, today you guys, I'm gonna use the Tarte Empowered Hybrid Gel Foundation in Medium Honey. So I'm going to take that and place that all over my face, of course avoiding my brows. Just take my fingers and just dab it on, and you can use like whatever foundation you are most comfortable with. I just happen to have this and I want to use it up. And then just taking my Morphe brush, I will just blend all this out. Don't forget your ears, and of course down your neck. So for this cat look, you guys, I want to make it very bronzy and gold, and of course tons of glitter. So for my eyes, I feel like a really good bronzy, like kind of like bronzy and natural at the same time. I am going to take the Desi X Katy Friendcation palette, and that is going to be my main palette. I do have other palettes here, but like I said earlier, if you want to know what palettes I've used in the video, links and lists are down below. So I'm going to first dive into the shade Basic, and I actually mixed that in with the shade Necessary. So Basic and Necessary, just mix it together and place it all over your lid. And you guys, I did skip a step, but if you want, you can put an eye primer so your shadow is locked in place. I was going to use my e.l.f. concealer, but I guess I forgot that, so there's that. But yeah, I'm not really going out anywhere, so... But to keep your shadows locked in place, go ahead and use like your eye primer or a concealer, whatever works best for you. So now I'm picking up the shade Trudeau and placing that on the outer corner of my eyes, and just kind of like brushing it out. And don't be shy about it, just really brush it out. And then taking a much deeper brown color in here, they have the color Cheens. Pick that up and then really just focus that on the outermost corner, like so. You see how I'm like pulling the shadow out, even like out to my brows where the tip of the brow is. So that's what I'm gonna do, and that's really what you're doing with your eyes. So I did use a Q-tip to kind of like clean out the edges so it was like nice and clean and, you know, pretty straight. So I'm gonna go back in the eyes, and this time I'm picking up the Too Faced. It's their Sparkling Pineapple Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm gonna take the shade Sparkling Pineapple. I've been obsessed with this color ever since I've got this palette. So you see that? Freaking beautiful. So take that, and of course using my fingers, because I feel like any sparkle or glitter shade, the best application to use it with is of course with your fingers. So I'm just gonna apply that on the inner corner of my eye and really take the time to blend out this pineapple, sparkling pineapple shade. So now, as if there isn't already enough glitter on my eyes, I'm gonna take my Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter in Starfire. And this stuff is amazing, you guys. I freaking love it. I have like so many of their different shades or colors, whatever you want to call it. And currently the Starfire is one of my obsession. I'm just gonna place that just on the center of my eyes, and I feel like it's gonna really bring out my eyes, have a little fun pop, and yeah, just really bring the look together. And it adds to my, like, you know, bronzy gold theme to my makeup look. So, or my cat makeup look, I should say. So place that on the other eye. So now my eyes are, you know, it's getting there. So taking my NYX Epic Ink eyeliner. This is probably one of my favorite eyeliner. So I'm gonna take that and create some crazy dramatic cat eyes. So you guys, I really love this brush because first of all, it is just that. It's literally a brush and not a felt tip pen. You know, like those felt tip, I do like them, don't get me wrong, but they honestly, they just dry up too quickly for me. And I'm still gonna buy felt tip eyeliner if I do, you know, come across one that I want to try out. But I mean, honestly, the NYX Epic Ink Liner, super affordable, and a brush tip, not felt tip, you know, very pigmented, it's like nice and precise. Freaking love this stuff. So I tend to buy them in bulk just because I know I'm gonna definitely use them. Now to fill in the rest of my eyeliner, you guys, I'm gonna use the LA Girl Ultimate Intense Stay Auto Liner. And this stuff has been a recent favorite of mine. And it's just nice and creamy and smooth. Again, another one of those really affordable brand. I'm just gonna fill in. This LA Girl eyeliner is like one of those liners where it doesn't like tug on your eyelid. It feels nice and like just really creamy and really just luxurious, and very luxurious and yet still very, very affordable. So I kind of want to add a little bit more glitter on my eye. Yes, I know I'm probably going a little too crazy with it, but I'm gonna pick back up my Urban Decay Starfire glitter, and we're gonna place that glitter right under our winged eyeliner. I feel like that really pulls the look together. So now I'm gonna do my lashes. I'm gonna first curl them by using my Shiseido lash curler, and then taking my Maybelline the Falsies Push Up Drama, we're going to really drama up those eyes. And then if you want, you can go ahead and put on some fake lashes. I do recommend them just because for a Halloween look, you want to make it nice and dramatic. But for this, I'm just going to skip it over. But put on lashes if you want to. I mean, I guess you don't have to, but if you want, they do make a big difference. So now I'm going to go in, and here comes the actual like cat part of the makeup, Halloween makeup tutorial. I'm going to take my LA Girl Ultimate Eyeliner Pencil, and we're gonna draw the cat nose and the cat mouth and all that stuff. And then using that same eyeliner, just draw that right on top of your lips. Ooh, the cat look is really coming to life, so I'm liking that a lot. So without the cat look, I think the eye makeup is a pretty wearable makeup, but we're doing the cat look, so yeah, there's that. So now, taking either the LA Girl or the NYX pencil, maybe I'll use the NYX pencil for this part. So taking your NYX pencil, you guys, go ahead and we're going to draw in some cheetah prints around their face. I'm going to first, before I do that, let's backtrack a little bit. I want to kind of bronze up my face, so I'm going to take my Hoola Girl Benefit Bronzer and then just take a nice big fluffy Morphe brush and just really bronze up my face. And it's okay if the bronzer shows a bit too much, because really it's supposed to be that dramatic. See how like dramatic that looks? That is a-okay. So I'm just gonna actually stipple all that on. But I do want to keep the center of my face still relatively light. So I'm gonna take my Hourglass and just dip it in with a nice fluffy brush and just go right over the center. So now, to give myself that nice golden bronzy look, I feel like the best perfect choice for that is the Desi X Katy Chasing the Sun. I mean, that shade is, honestly, even the name Chasing the Sun is too perfect for this. So just take a nice brush and just go crazy with this right on the high points of my cheeks and right here and there. You just want to really glow and even kind of like use it as like a blush, if you will. That cat look is coming to life. Alright, so now looking good, looking great. So now I'm going to take my NYX Epic Ink Liner like I was going to do earlier, but I changed my mind. And then we're going to draw little cheetah prints on our face. Just kind of like random. I'm going to probably do it like around here and around here. Kind of like the cheek area, if you will. And you guys, my cheetah design has no rhyme or reason. I'm just kind of drawing whatever comes to mind. So, and the more imperfect you are with it, I feel like the better it will turn out. So I feel like that would probably make it look more realistic. I mean, not that there is like a cheetah human girl out there, who knows. So we are doing this cheetah print look. And then of course do the same thing on the other side. And again, don't make it perfect, but you don't want to make it the same as, you know, you want to make it different because they're not supposed to be symmetrical. So now we're going back in with my favorite glitter, you guys, the Heavy Metal Starfire glitter. I'm just gonna fill in each of those cheetah prints with the Starfire glitter. I changed my mind. Before I add that glitter in, I want to add the pineapple sparkling glitter inside of each cheetah print. I think that's gonna really bring it out, just like how I did my eyes. So, gonna use my fingers and dab in that shade right in the middle of those cheetah prints. And if it covers your, you know, what do you call it, the little cheetah print work that you did, just go back in with your eyeliner and retrace it. It's not a big deal. Alright, that looks much better. So now we're gonna take our Urban Decay Starfire and then place that right on top to bring out more glitter. So if you want, you can go back in and kind of like retrace those black lines from the cheetah print. You don't really have to, but maybe some parts you might want to. Alright, so now I feel like we need to do something with our lips. For the lips, you guys, I'm just gonna keep it a nice, like more neutral, natural color. And for that, I think a really good, you know, lip color is the Covergirl. This is their 105 shade. It's a really nice pink color. So, just gonna puff some out and then place that right on my lips. And then to make sure everything is set and locked in place, I'm gonna take my MAC Prep and Prime and just spritz that all over my face, let it dry a little bit, and then we are D-O-N-E. Okay, you guys, here is the final look for this cat Halloween makeup tutorial. Obviously, I did more of a cheetah style cat, and you can see the gold glitter cheetah prints on it, a nice bronzy gold themed cheetah animal, whatever you want to call it. So here's my take on that look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and click that thumbs up button down below. Give it a like, that does really help me out. And of course, subscribe, join the Kwak fam, and click on the notification bell. That way when I upload at least twice a week, you are notified. You don't miss out on any videos. And don't forget to check out Sandy's version of this Halloween cat makeup. I'm not really sure exactly what cat makeup she's doing, but I did a cheetah, and I'm sure she'll do something different. But go check her channel out and see what she has for you. And yeah, you can follow me on my social media, all that good stuff. Let's wrap it up, you guys. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I will talk to you next time. Bye, guys.